In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Canva. Bullet points make your content easier to scan, organize ideas cleanly, and keep designs looking polished. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social post, or a flyer, the process is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening Canva and heading to your project. If you need a place to type, click the Text tab on the left sidebar and add a text box. If you already have a text box in your design, just click it to select it. Text boxes are where your list will live, so make sure you're working inside the correct one. Now, type your points. After each idea, press Enter to start a new line. Those separate lines are important, because Canva treats each line as an individual item when you turn on bullets. Keep each point short and focused so your list is easy to read. Next, select the text you want to turn into a list. Click and drag to highlight the entire block of lines you just typed. You can select all of them, or only a portion if you want bullets on just part of the text. With the text highlighted, apply bullets. Look at the toolbar along the top of the screen and click the list icon. This looks like 3 dots or lines. You can also open the Format menu and choose the bulleted list option. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure the text box itself is selected. To add more points, simply keep typing. Every time you press Enter within that text box, Canva automatically creates a new bullet for you, keeping your formatting consistent as your list grows. If you prefer a sequence, you can change the style. Click the list icon again to switch from bullets to a numbered list, which is great when your points follow a specific order. Click it a third time to remove the list formatting entirely and return to plain text. Finally, adjust alignment if the text looks off. Select the text box and use the alignment options left, center, or right in the top toolbar or in the Format menu. Left alignment is usually the most readable for lists, but choose what fits your layout best. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.